up, everybody? This is going to be a quick video, no games. I'm going to real quick show you how to find out what's going on with your AC. The first thing you want to do is you want to see if your compressor is functioning right. All right, you want to see if it's even functioning, if it's working. So turn your fan on and then turn your AC on. You will hear the blowing, the clicking sound, and you'll see it kick in. If it's not making any sound, if it's not clicking and it's not blowing, that means your compressor is shot. I'll show you how to test that too. But let's go out here and check this thing out, okay? It's real easy to do. Every spring I get out here and I test my AC and fill it if it needs to be filled, right? Pretty basic. You should do this too. But this is really easy. I'm telling you, it's like changing your brakes. Well, this is actually easier than that. You ain't got to do nothing. Just connect your hose. But you need this device right here. This right here is everything that you need to test your vehicle. All right, see that? You're gonna adjust it. You can see by that pin right there, you can see if your compressor is functioning. You can see if you're low, you're high, if there's a leak or whatever. All right, this is all you need right here. You can get this for like $10, okay? So the first thing you want to do is take this device, connect the hose to your AC. And don't worry, you're not gonna make a mistake. Don't freak out. You will not connect this to your oil or your exhaust. And every AC has the same connection, basically. You're not going to connect it to anything else. Right there, look, mine's all the way back there. Usually yours is in the front. Usually most cars are in front, but the BMW has it in the back. Right, kind of hard, well, not really hard to get to, but all you gotta do is pop that thing up and hook this on, and then turn your vehicle on and press, and you'll see that needle go up. If it's on the green, you're good. If it's in the white, you need to keep filling it. If it keeps leaking, you got a leak. If that needle isn't moving, if it's in the white and it's not going up, no matter how much coolant you put in it, it means your AC compressor is shot. Okay, if it's in the low, if it keeps going down, you have a leak. It's so basic. And sometimes, now this doesn't happen often, it can be in the red. You may have put too much in there, or something happened, your AC malfunctioned. You may need to take a needle, like a tire, put some glasses on, to get a glove because it's cold. All right, and then do the tire trick, deflate it. But see, AC is so easy. Don't be afraid. Find your hose, connect it, turn your car on, and push, and you'll see everything you need to know regarding your AC. If it needs filling, if it needs replacing. I hope you don't have a compressor issue or a leak, because that just sucks. You're gonna spend tons of money on fixing it. So good luck and be blessed. Stay safe. Get one of these devices. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Ask me. I may answer, I may not. I usually don't. Blessing.